Hi friends, welcome back to our channel. This is Kishore Palwalsa. Today we will discuss about power flow diagram of DC motor. Here power flow nothing but conversion of energy from one form to another form. So that is like either electrical energy is converting into mechanical energy or else either mechanical energy is converting into electrical energy, vice versa. For example, in case of DC generator, the input supply which is given as mechanical energy, output we are getting electrical energy. As well as in case of DC motor, the input supply which is given as electrical energy that can be converting into in terms of mechanical energy. So that is given as power flow energy conversion. So here coming for the DC motor, the input supply which is given as electrical energy, output we are getting mechanical energy. Okay. Whenever the energy which is conversion from electrical to mechanical, at that instant of time, there is a huge amount of losses will be existing both at input side as well as output side. So those are at input side which is given as both iron losses and also copper losses. If suppose the input supply which is suddenly rising, then automatically copper losses also increasing. Here iron losses is the fixed losses for both input side as well as output side of a DC motor. And also coming for the output side, this side produced as both friction losses as well as windows losses. Those two losses which is existing at output side of a DC motor. So here iron losses is the fixed losses at both input side as well as output side of a DC motor. Remember that point, very important. If the motor is rotating or else like a stationary, but the iron losses is the fixed for those two conditions. But here copper losses is depending upon the output side rotation of the motor. If suppose load is increasing at the output side of the rotor, then automatically input extracting or else gain of power which is very more, then only automatically copper losses also rising. So coming for the friction losses, these losses which is generally existing, if suppose the rotor which is not proper lubrication takes place, then automatically there may be chance to occurring of friction losses. So coming for the windage losses, if suppose the wind farm which is existing or else influence on opposite to the direction of rotation of rotor, then automatically the speed of the rotor will be decreasing. So that is given as windage losses. So this is the basic conversion power flow diagram of DC motor. And also here coming for the direction of rotor which is given by Fleming left hand rule. So that is given as FBI, here F which is indicated as force or else motion of the conductor or else rotation of the conductor, B which is indicated as magnetic field density, here I which is indicated as induced EMF or else current. So this is given as direction of rotor by the Fleming left hand rule. So here according to force or else motion of the rotor, so the direction of rotor which is depends, that is given as anti-clockwise direction. So this is today our class. Next class we are going to discuss with a new topic. Until then keep watching all our classes. Thank you.